How to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account instantly. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account instantly. This method is super quick and easy, so let's get right into it. First, open the PayPal app on your phone, or you can go to the PayPal website. Next, log into your PayPal account by entering your email address and password. If you're already logged in, you should be taken to your PayPal dashboard. Now tap on PayPal balance or go to the wallet section. Once you're on the PayPal balance page, click or tap on the transfer money button. Next, select the option that says transfer to bank. You will see different withdrawal methods listed. Here where it's get important. PayPal offers two transfer options, standard and instant. To transfer more money instantly, choose the instant option. After that, select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to add your bank details before continuing. You'll be prompted to enter your bank account details if they're not already linked. Before finalizing, make sure to double check the transfer details, including the amount you're transferring and the fees. Once everything looks good, simply tap or click on the transfer now to complete the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from PayPal to your bank account instantly.